Peace and love to everybody. Today's ride is going to take us into Manning Park. We're going to go to Lightning Lake. We're going to toss up the drone, see what we can see. I'm going to play with some groundhogs. Traveling west to east, just east of Hope, we're going to take exit 177 with signs to Princeton and Osoyoos. That's Highway 3 East, the Crow's Nest Pass. I'd like to do a personal shout out to Dancine, special lady in my life right now, who joins me on this ride. Lightning Lake, hope you enjoy the video. Just under 55 kilometers after you get on the Crow's Nest Pass, you will come to this spot right here. Where the am I? I don't know. The right-hand turn to Lightning Lake is just on the other side of the resort here at the second set of street lamps where the vehicles are up there. Okay, I know where we are. Manning Park Resort. So you can pull in here, take a break, order something to eat, or if you kept going straight on the highway, you can turn right here to go up to Lightning Lake, which I believe is 7 kilometers up this road. Wrong, it's 5 kilometers up the road.
close will you let me get before you take off? No way. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, little guy. You come say hi. Sneaking up on me, is he?
This little critter is truly a one-eyed bandit. He's missing his right eye.
Little smoke.
Had to drop the phone because he took me up on my offer and grabbed my smoke. Had to drop the phone and grab it back from him.
Okay, here. If you really want to smoke.
A sealed beer can rolls across the road in front of me. No people around anywhere. Weird. Almost home now. We stop in Hope, take a little break. The river is very, very high. Lots of wind. So windy that Dancine's going to fly away. That's my Lightning Lake video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to thank the beautiful Dancine once again for joining me. I'd like you all to join me on my next adventure on my YouTube channel, RSamson. See you later, everyone.